What's up, guy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Halababa Official, and guys, it's all morning here, and I need to take some breakfast over there. Oh, guys. Oh. Oh, guys. Oh, guys. So I finished taking breakfast, and over here there's my mango juice, guys. Minute Maid called mango juice, guys. So just shaking, and then I'll start drinking, guys, over here. Wow. Simba. And I give you. Oh, guys, so let me sit there, and at the same time there's some work going on here, guys. Hey. So I'm to sit at the chilling point here, drinking a cold drink. We call mango juice. What's up? Oh, guys, there's the dog welcoming me. I miss the dog a lot, guys. Oh, guys. It's so cold, guys. So cold. This is my mango juice, and my motorbike is over there. There. Yes, guys. Walk. Tutaya. Yes, so I'm calling Congrats mom to go. I want to hold it for high camera, guys. There's some work going on here. Let me show you, guys. You know, in our village here, every day there is some activity going on, guys, and you can see the perimeter have already been increased. Yes, small chicks. Oh, let me go this way, guys. And don't forget, guys, I'm drinking my juice. Yanko. Going down. Whew. So, guys, I want to climb here. Era maraha chemu soke.
Sokera tore hai.
Chemu ansuru gitu. Han. Ambe no orare hano bako soke.
It's a life for you.
Hey. One take over. Yeah, Usman put. So guys, I'm telling him after finishing here, tomorrow works to arrange some stones on the foundation up to that far end, guys. Yeah. Oh, I must close the house every day. Good morning, guys, and I've already woke up from the bed right now, so we need to check the progress of the day. And actually, yesterday we built the toilet, and today we want to cure in some water because the mine that I have, I built and I reached the point where my pocket reach, guys. So we're heading outside, and I want to cure some water on the blocks so to make it to be strong. But I thank God, man, yesterday we made it, and at least when I get the money, we need to finish up soon, and I think the end of August to be completed, maybe putting iron sheet, doors, and also plastering, even tiling must be there. We have so many work to do on this project here. Oh wow, guys, this is my brother. They have already fetched water from the river, and it's very fast, so he wake up in the morning. Hey Maravipi, you good? So greet my people.
Good morning, people.
Yes, so this is my people. This is my mom from there. She have already company, and they want to curing the toilet. And guys, I thank God for this far. I thank God for the gift of life, man. This is my mom.
Hello.
Alright, man. Yes, I'm greeting my mom. Alright, it's just like morning. Greeting my people, mom. Salimia what?
Hello.
Yes, that's my mom. So she was a hard work woman in this village, 100%, guys. I recognize, and man, you can see the washroom are so big, so big. I can't complain. And maybe when you enter inside, at least I'm 5 feet right now. It will reach at the shoulder here. You can see almost to the shoulder. So that being said, they must be curing the water so to make this we call it how do you call it, guys, the mortar to be concrete. Yesterday mortar to be concrete, so we're curing slowly, guys. And this is the pipe. As I told you, when the setting of blocks start, you can't see the pipe. So imagine from down, this gap here is the pipe, and have been already be covered. And what next? Plastering tiles. You can't see, maybe outside of the rooftop, the one that you see the pipe. All right, guys. So this is the washroom here, and I'll put this is the pipe here. I'll put some things like elbow and cover pit on top, so when you take shower, water come direct, go inside. Oh guys, so this is the first one, and this is the second one, and of which it's a toilet, guys. So here we have some block, we have some bricks. When you toop and then you put the sink there. Well guys, so I want to show you how things they are. Imagine that my first washroom, and this is my toilet. It meant for me. Mama Njo, guys, I want to show my mama toilet. Okay, mom, this is your toilet here. When it's completed or not yet, this is your toilet. Okay, mama, ini cho yako. Okay, guys, so I'm just telling my mom this is her toilet. No matter what, when it's completed or not yet, this is a toilet. And then, mom, this is a washroom. Yeah? In bath yako. So I don't want maybe to interfere with you. Oh, mom, I want to take shower. No. I want to enter inside the toilet. No. You must have your own toilet, washroom, and then they must have some padlock. When you get out of your toilet or washroom, you close it. Unafunga. Yes, so let's go. Endelea kumwaga maji. Yes guys, so I'm just telling my mom, and I'm feel free to my mom, guys. So I'm telling her that is our washroom and toilet. Whether it's complete or not yet, they must know that is her toilet, guys. And this is how we're curing water. Hey, otema igo, yankoroki. Maha, tarigo. Oratema kana yamberi go. Oh my, otema iga.
Hey, what you going to do? You want to wrap it
Yeah.
Eh?
Asa, rosi gorokono. Gorokono na roho mera kara kenye iga mahano iga. Yeah, guys, sorry. Curing water. So we need at least to look concrete. Yeah, guys. So man, at least right now my family feels good when I made these things like this in my family, man. And I'm try. There's some things disturbing on my teeth, on my facial teeth, guys. Not strong. So at least, guys, I'm on other level. So I had on the comment section, oh hello baby, build your toilet, build your mama toilet. Oh, 1, 2, 3, and it's okay. You can see even the outfit of outside. At least at this level, around 4 feet. It's blocks, and then from the next maybe brick. We wanna use bricks because the blocks which have been made, it reached at the point. Even I use my brother's bricks. So when I get the money, I think I will use 1,000 and above, 1,500 bricks, because you need the toilet to go at the higher level. So it's at a rich point, and then here, you just wait, guys. Here they're gonna construct up this level here, going up to that way, some foundation, and then follow me, guys. The way my hand move, come this way, until this point. You see this point here, guys, and then come up this here. So that's the perimeter wall. So we come from the far end, come this way, and you enter, you go around. So at least the reason why I put the perimeter wall is to give the person who entered the washroom like some time, some few minutes to enter outside. Because when you come from the far end, when you reach at this point, you want to turn, and you come like, let me show you. You come like this way here, and then after reaching here, you turn, you enter, you go. So you just wait, guys. You will see my plan of my toilet, guys. Yeah, guys. This is my brother, guys. Alright, so let me check the cow, guys. As I told you, in terms of feeding, I love the cow, man, sure. So I must check it, and it's early morning over here, so we move with time. It's around 7:30. I wake up around 7:25, so it took like 5 minutes over there. Oh, hey, it's so cold over here. Wow, guys, great. So when you want to the cat to be stopped, you must touch it and then say tubay. Tubay is like to imitate the cow, the sound, which means don't to disturb a lot. Do you see? It's looking at me. Well, guys. Oh, you see, guys, people have already harvested. This is my neighbor's land. Have already harvested, man, and all stuff. So right now, at least people put something on table. Put something on table, you know. So we have another one here. These are always, these are stubborn. I don't know, maybe it can allow me to touch. Look, these are bowl one. Okay, let me check the biggest, or the mother of those two cows. Imagine my mama, they wanna fetch water from my neighbor over there. It's like a half kilometers from here, over there, between those houses, and then go other side. Look, guys. So one day, I'll get money and then I'll buy some tank, 500,000 liter, so to harvest some water. I don't like my mama to struggle a lot, man. You know, she struggled until I was young. Up to now, she was struggling. There is a time I wanna say, no, ma'am, just relax. So these are big five. This is the mother of those two cows. That one there and right there, and also we have the calf inside. Wow. What's up? What's up? Look. I want to see whether the reason why I checked the cow, I want to see whether it have some thick. So that's the reason why every day I want to check the cow. When I found it have some thick, I know what can I do. I go to buy maybe some spray, but the cow doesn't have some thick. Well, guys, you see, this is the stuff from the maize corn, guys. This one here, and if you doesn't have maybe place to graze your cow, you collect this one, this stuff over here, and then you store like a hay. There is something we call a hay. Yeah, a hay. I think on my primary level, a hay is when you cut maybe napier grass or a grass, napier grass, maybe stuff like this. You store at one point, and we collect and became at one group, so we store. We call it a hay. Guys, let me know in the comment section, am I right? But it's a long time since my primary level, guys. Wow. So you see, guys, I made it, and I thank God for this far. I thank God for everything, man. You know, it's through God's prayer, and I managed to make it, guys. So there's some problem over here, but it's okay. It's okay. Whew. Man, to reach at this point, it's God's plan. It's God's plan. It's God's plans. And the toilet was so big. The toilet, guys, it's so big. You can't tell people from outside. In the comment section, it's so big. And there is a time I feel like I want to turn it some soil inside and to cover it. So I saw this soil here, or the loamy soil, or actually the loamy soil. That being said, there's a time will come, guys. You will see the reason why I store those sand over there, the red sand. So direct to the point, there is a time, man, I feel like I wanna run out of my project, you know. So I dig the toilet, no material. So I said, wow, guys, what am I going to do? I've already dig the toilet. Where am I going to get the cement, steel bar, stones? But guys, because I'm unbelievable, I'm just believe in God, and I say, oh my God, it is what it is. But you guys, you just watching these videos over there, and you said, hello baby, I want to support on this. Like, to be honest, I get donation from my audience, and I keep pushing myself, building the toilet up to this far. And in case you've been there and watching these videos, I want to say thank you a million for you guys. You made it possible. At least my family, they wanna use modern toilet, guys, over there. So, and other people ask me, why do you maybe put your toilet far away from home, guys? Imagine from my house here up to here, it's just like 100 meters, because we don't want maybe smells, guys, you know. We don't want smells. And maybe here it's a chilling point, so I wanna build maybe some stuff over here later. So this is like a shading. Maybe when you pay a visitor here, you wanna sit there and chilling, guys. So let's go this way. I want to check the brakes of my brother. So yesterday he sold some of them, but the guy tried to hide some money on top, because my brother said he need each brakes 6 bob. So the guy say 5 bob. When he went for the first trip, my brother said no. So I want to check them, and very soon, guys, my neighbor over there, they wanna build a mansion over there, guys. So this is my mom's or my dad's house. Actually, according to our culture, guys, when you build a house, you are a man and you are the owner of the house. When you marry, the house belongs to your wife. So this is my mom's wife, my mom's house, and actually it's my dad's residence. So over there, very soon, my neighbor, they wanna build a mansion, guys. So he tried to motivate me. Sure, he tried to motivate me. He constructed a borehole, and then he made up bricks, and finally he have already bought some firewood over there, maybe. And I think there is a time, guys, I went there and I showing you the way they construct a borehole, and we talk with him. But it's a good thing, guys. So when he built a mansion, he tried to motivate me, and one day I'll made it, guys, to my mom's. Me, I can stay on my muddy house, no problem, but it keep pushing me to build my mom's house one day. So guys, sorry for that to say maybe. Oh, so this one is the blocks or the bricks, guys. So I'll pick from here this one. And actually when my brother maybe tomorrow, when he doesn't have some work, because he have some mason, he went there and work as a handman. The end of the day he get the money. Actually it's 400, the exact money that they pay people here. He went there. So because he was trustful, the mason trust him a lot. So maybe tomorrow when he didn't work to the job, I told him, just put aside for me 1,500 bricks aside, and I want to complete building the toilet and perimeter wall. There's no need maybe to purchase to buy some cement, making blocks, and it's all stuff. It took me like 7 days to be dried, curing water. So let me take the bricks direct. Right, so this one have already been burnt, and you can see the color of bricks which have been burnt, but this one were being burnt but not good. You can see we have black and down there. So let's go. So guys, me every day I wanna say thank you a million. And if you find my videos for the first time, guys, love is for free. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and if you wish, you can share my videos, guys. So in fact, I love the hard working of my mom, guys. I was saying one day I'll maybe collect some balance and keep pushing other side. So my mom have already done it. Yes, we don't want maybe to spoil some material. So the foundation which I'm talking for the perimeter wall, they want to use these stones over here, and we have other stone. I see other stone over here, so they try to push my stones aside. Well guys, I was standing there and see this some stones here. Oh, how am I going to carry it? Just a minute, guys. It's hectic to carry it, so I'm taking. Oh, it's so yeah, like that. Whew. Look guys, I was struggling to carry the stones. Wow. And over here, there's my grandma home. Over here. Ooh. Whew. Wow. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you wherever you are, and I wish you happy day, and maybe happy morning, happy evening, happy lunch. It depends the time where you're watching these videos. Wow. And man, you see, this is the timber. So I store here, and then I will use maybe for the fisher board of my toilet. Wow, I heard some goat making noise here, like meh meh. It's this one over here. So it's all morning here. What's up? Wow. So my mom, she doesn't like to take the goats early in the morning. So guys, I wanna say thank you so much, and more amazing videos coming from this side, and I will join later. So I see my mom and my brother from the far end bringing water, and people, they can think maybe, hello baby, you try to showing us your brother and your mother going to fetch water. So let's see guys, let's show you direct, and then I could pause my videos, but more videos are coming on this channel today. Amazing one. You see from the far end. So at the far end, whew. Hey, look, my brother hold 2 containers and my mom 1 bucket, but at the same. When my mom put it down, my brother will fill it. It's 1 bucket, guys. Look. Yeah, guys. see? Look, it's water, guys. Oh, guys, so stay tuned. You know, I get over here.
Yes, you're real.
Malaika. Guys, I'm touching Malaika. Guys. Hey. Oh, guys. Malaika. Guys, let me know in the comment section, guys. Malaika, and it feels so good. Okay, guys, that's Malaika, and you have Rio. Okay, guys, I'm just here with Congrats Mom, and I want to peel some sukuma wiki over there, guys.
Yes, guys, I've sent him to pick for me sukuma wiki. It's really doing well, guys.
Yes.
So let's see what we have for today.
Yes, because guys, Congrats Mom can't pass here. It's a small gap. So, oh, hey, oh. Nyabisagi.
Yeah, so guys, sukuma wiki.
Oh. Okay, guys, let me show you sukuma wiki. Just over here. Yes, guys, this sukuma wiki, and Congrats Mom, I like this one rather than that one.
Bring the recycle one.
Okay, for the circus one.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys, so we prefer for this one, but that one you plant maybe by using seeds, and we do like this, one by one, guys. Oh, you peel it, guys, and when we mix, guys, when we mix with meat, it have some nice tastes for sure. So guys, I've already peeled some sukuma, guys, and I give to Congrats. Oh, hey. Oh. Yes, guys, that's sukuma wiki, and I'm heading this way. Yes.
We are carrying sukuma wiki back home. It has really done well.
It's so heavy.
It has really done well. Look, guys, the sukuma wiki.
Yeah, when you mix with meat.
Oh.
Hey.
When you mix with the intestines of the goat,
Oh.
you'll really be happy.
Yes, guys. So we're
You'll
heading.
really be happy and satisfied.
Guys, we're heading this way.
There's another veg here. Come.
Which one?
This one I needed to plant it.
Oh,
You know
and
it?
it's a slippery kihango.
It is a climbing kind of veggies and so sweet
Yes.
and some medicine, but one day we shall do it.
Alright, guys. So let's go. And I think, guys, I could end my videos at the Villa Mandarin over here. Oh, guys, this is some yam. Hey. And as I told you, farming in my village here, it's our backbone. You know, you can maybe harvest food direct from the farm and you cook direct, guys, you know. Woo. So guys, I saw Malaika and Rio over there, but I'm afraid of them because it can kick me. I fear them. Oh, guys, you see, they will be together. That, guys, that's Rio and Malaika. Wow. So it's a happy moment, and I hope you enjoy my today's vlog. are very, very special. And I thank God for this far. You know, I thank God for the gift of life. When guys I'm alive and I'm healthy, I will enjoy and appreciate, guys, because everything shall be happening with reason. With reason. And as I told you, there's some solar installation. You can see the post, and there's a metallic one. Yeah, guys, look the guinea phone over here. I know how to intimidate, guys, the guinea phone. Hard. It's a guinea phone, guys. See, like that, guys. Wow. So here there's some solar and solar panel and lead, guys, and it's charging, guys. You can see it's charging by using the solar panel over here. Oh, guys, I'm waiting. Congrats. But I want to end my videos by saying, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly and give you a blessed day, man. Hey, God. What the camera so you don't. Oh, guys, so I want to end my videos by saying thank you so much. May God bless you for those who are watching my videos. And guys, in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Not to 5K subscribe. I'm almost there. Oh, guys, I see the cow eating some trees over there. Alright, it's okay. And guys, let me know in the comment section what did you think about this video for today. Kindly give a like, comment, yes, and also share, guys. So bye bye.